A motivated mindset is one of strength, discipline, courage, positive thinking, confidence, and never ending hunger for success, all backed by the motivation from within you. Motivation is the life force and reasoning behind everything we do. Our action, our choice, our jobs, our free time, our beliefs, our thoughts, and our dreams are all fueled by the things that motivated us. Without motivation, we have no reason to do anything. Even the most basic motivation can drive you to do the impossible. For instance, survival. Survival can motivate you to get up to drink some water or lead you to fight for your life against an attacking grizzly bear. Either way, you are doing it or to survive. To create a motivated mindset that will drive you to success no matter what challenges lay ahead, you must find the one thing that motivates you to push forward each and every day, no matter how hard things get. You must search deep within yourself with an honest eye and discover your purpose. Find the reason you were put on this earth and what you are meant to do. No one is placed here to be average. Average is a choice you make when you hold yourself back from what you were meant to become. So stop holding yourself back and find what you were born to do. How to create a motivated mindset? Strength. To succeed, you will need to be strong. Strong enough to fight off the self-doubt and strong enough to do what is difficult. You are stronger than anything standing in your way, and the only thing that can hold you back is you. Self-discipline. To succeed, you will have to be disciplined. Your self-discipline will guide you to do what you must in order to succeed, even when you don't feel like it. The journey will take time, so your motivation must be strong enough to keep you on the path. Courage. To succeed, you will need courage. Be courageous enough to move beyond your fears and get out of your comfort zone. You will have to rise above your fear of failure and know that success is just on the other side. You will have to face your fears and use your success over them as further motivation to succeed. Don't allow fear to hold you down. Positivity. To succeed, you will have to stay positive. Even when times are tough, stay positive and find a way to succeed. Emotions do not solve problems, only your efforts can. If you say you can't do something, then you are right. But if you stay on task, you will always have a chance. And in life, that is all we need, one chance. Confidence. To succeed, you will need confidence. You will have to become confident in yourself and believe that you can succeed. Failure may occur, but that is never the end. Be so confident in yourself that there's no room for self-doubt. Doubt will only hold you back. Confidence will only push you forward. Your motivation will guide your mind through all of these pieces to create a powerful, motivated mindset that can't be broken. A mindset that fights for success and never strays from the path along your journey to greatness. So now it's time to find what motivates you.